Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create tags in Evernote. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Evernote? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type evernote.com and it's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Now in the website, go through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully or signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's tags, which is how to create tags in Evernote. From your homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen and find a couple features: home, shortcuts, notes, tags, calendar, and even down to trash. Now go ahead and click on notebooks. Now tags are actually a way, let's say they're advanced folders, right? So after creating a series of notes under a notebook, you can now organize your notebooks into a stack. That's what it is. So create notes under a notebook and then organize your notebooks into a stack. Let me go again. Organize your notes into a notebook, which is the first folder, and then organize your notebooks into a stack, which is like the ultimate folder. So here's how you can create a stack. Now you turn a notebook into a stack. Remember, start with a note and then notebook and then stack. So let's say this is a notebook, right? First notebook, right? So go ahead and click on this three dots menu. And you have this extended menu that says add new note, share notebook, rename notebook, and add to shortcut and add to stack. So click on add to stack. I have not created a stack yet, so let's go ahead and create the stack from scratch. So click on new stack, and so you're gonna have to give a name to the stack. Now see, stacks are commonly used for grouping notebooks that have similar topic or theme. They are only visible to you. So this my stack could actually be Amanda's view. So go ahead and click on the create button and that stack is created. So that's pretty much it. So this is what it looks like now. This is a stack, right? This Amanda's view now has stack, so I can just open that stack. And in this stack, you can see my notes in the stack. So that's pretty much it. You can head over to notebooks again and see that this is here. So you can click on these actions now, create notebook, rename stack, remove stack, and even add more notebooks within that stack. So that's pretty much how to create stacks in Evernote. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.